Hybrid planning has been a little bit of a buzzword lately, so let's talk about what it actually means. In big organizations, there is no one-size-fits-all planning. You have Agile teams sprinting, Waterfall teams with strict milestones, and about a dozen other we're doing whatever works. If this sounds familiar, stay tuned. So what's the problem with all of this happening at once? These worlds just don't talk to each other. Agile and Waterfall have different cadences, different data, and different measures of success, which makes it really difficult for your leaders to see the big picture or make any decision without guessing. Hybrid planning is exactly what it sounds like. It's a way to plan, track, and manage all methods across one unified view. It doesn't force Agile teams to give up the flexibility, and it doesn't break the structure that Waterfall needs. Instead, it's connecting your resources, your budgets, and your timelines across the portfolio. Here's the key. Your data needs to be shared across the organization, and it needs to be structured in a way that makes sense. So this means connected tools, consistent definitions, and one source of truth. No matter how the work is done, everyone is speaking the same language. This works because hybrid planning respects how each team delivers, and it gives leadership the transparency that they need. You can forecast accurately, prioritize based on real capacity, and spot those risks early on without forcing everyone into the same mold. The result? Fewer surprises, more alignment, and a portfolio that delivers without the endless translation between methodologies. If you're interested in learning more about hybrid planning, visit prosymmetry.com.